First, the power supply here follows Taiwan's standard, which is the same as the general U.S. standard. When performing maintenance, check if the AC power output is present. If you plug in a device and there is still no power output despite the switch being turned on, the distribution panel needs to be removed. There are a total of 7 screws to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that all the screws are removed, the most important component behind the panel is this circuit breaker. Sometimes, if an external device exceeds the breaker's rated capacity, it will trip to protect the system, meaning these 2 outlets have been overloaded. To reset it, simply press the breaker switch back into place. After this, try plugging in a small appliance and turning on the machine to check if power is restored. If power returns, it means the breaker's safety mechanism was just triggered. Be mindful of the outlet's load limit moving forward in the future. Once maintenance is complete, secure the panel back with the 7 screws. Thank you for watching.